Hey guys, uh, bad starting. Hey guys, welcome to the 43rd tutorial and the second part of the previous tutorial. So, now we are going to learn about composition. So, yeah, what is a composition? I actually don't know. Let's see if I know while building a program. Okay, so, uh, let's keep it simple. Let's build a private string variable called name, and I'm using a different class here. What's the error? Okay, never mind. So, and now what a composition is. So a composition is treating another classes as a member or instances in one class. It was, I think, kind of confusing, so let me show you. So private, now the name of our class here. So toString, and let's name it something. uh, Birthday. Looks good. And now let's build a constructor here, and let me keep it public composition. And this constructor is going to take two arguments, which are going to be string, the name, and the second one is going to be toString, which is a class, not a data type. So an object of any name, let's name it the date, and what it is going to do, first of all, it is going to assign these things back to the instance variable. So our name will be equal to the name, and similarly our birthday is going to be equal to the date. Yeah. And do we want to print something this time or not? So again, now we are going to use our toString here. So public, and we need string to string str, and it doesn't take any argument. The body we are going to return, so we want to return a string format. So string dot format. So it's good. So what you want to print? My name is %s, and my DOP is %s. So now we need two strings here. So let's give the reference again. So the first one is going to be our name as usual, and for the second one it is going to be birth, BIR, birthday. Looks good. So now the thing is, what's the composition? So this thing here, we are not taking a variable as a member of our class here. We are taking an object and we are using it as a member. So rest of this part is okay. We are again taking an object as an argument, but the interesting parts come here, that we want to print an string and we have given reference to two of them. So for the first one we have name, which is obviously a string, so it's good. But for the second one, it is not a string but an object. So how things are going to work? So similarly, like in the previous tutorial we have done, so this object here is going to refer to our toString class, and again our toString class has where it is, this toString method. So again the Java will search through each one of them and say, okay, you want me to use this because we are returning a string here, and that's what the toString is for. So it is going to get the date from this part. So let's see how it works. And I need to copy this. I'm lazy to type all this stuff. So composition, and let's make object 2 equals new composition, and parenthesis. So now our constructor was taking two arguments. So for the first one we are going to enter name. So let's enter Shret, which is my real name, and now I am exposed. And for the second one, it was taking an object of toString data type, so which in this case is object. So obj, and looks good. So now let's run this thing here, and our code is not working. Why? Okay, so the thing is, what I have done wrong, we have only given a print statement here, but not actually what we want to print, or not a print statement in particular we have given. So system out print line, and what we want to print, it is object 2, and let's see, sorry, noisy neighbors. So let's see, print line, and let's run this, and we are not getting space here. Okay, let me just correct it quickly so it is quite visible to us. My name is, let's shift it to a new line, and now we should see what is going on. So as you can see, this is the constructor, the date is this, which is happening to our first constructor from the previous tutorial. But now this is the interesting part. My name is Shret, and my date of birth is 6, 5 and 7. But the thing is, I have given reference to again an object here. So how it is printing it as a string? So again, due to the toString method we are having here, the object is referring to this whole class here, and now the Java is searching and ends its search at this point and return this value which we get here. So we are getting my name is %s, which is name, a string, good, and my date of birth is birthday, but which is a object. So how to use it? So again, refer to the birthday object. Wait, let me clear it. So this object here is going to again refer to our this class file here, and now similarly Java is going to search whole this thing here and gonna end up here, and from here we are getting our date. So that's how toString works and how it is handy for us. And the second key point in the tutorial was the composition part. So the composition part is the using the classes, different classes, as a member of a different class. So as you can see, we are using the class toString as a data type and a member of our composition class. So this is what composition is. So that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe because I am the best channel out there. So, and see you guys in the next tutorial.